the third chapter, that is atoms. So now the first scientist to coin the name is atomic Dalton. So Dalton is the first scientist who coined the name, that is atoms here. So he first discovered that the matter that is made up of particles, and that particles he called it as atoms here. That is called as the atoms here. So Dalton was the first scientist given the name that is called as the atoms here. So he said that matter is made up of small particles, and that small particle is called as the atoms here. So that is the first definition that is given by the atoms here. So what is say that matter made up of small particle, and that small particle we call it as the atoms here. So that is the atoms here. Next, to explain the structure of the atoms, how the atoms is, how atom is there, and what it consists. To explain the structure of the atoms, many theories are put forward here. So the first theory that is given by the scientist G.J. Thomson. So that name it is called as the G.J. Thomson model. So it is also called as the Plum-Hertling model, which is given in the 1898 here. So this is the thing here. So according to G.J. Thomson model, so what G.J. Thomson model is a model which is given to explain the structure of the atom is there. So what is the structure of the atom? What it consists of atom? To explain all this here, many scientists put forward the theory here. The first theory that is given by the Thomson. So on this name it is called as J.J. Thomson model here. So it is also called as the Plum-Hertling model here. So this is also called as Plum-Hertling model. So which is that model is given in the 18th century, that is the end of the 18th century, 1898. So according to this Thomson model, so what Thomson said that the atoms consist of two charges here. One is called positive charge, and the other is called the negative charge here. So according to Thomson, what he said that atom consists of two charges. One is called as the positive charge, and another one is called as the negative charge. He said that positive charge of the atom is uniformly distributed to the volume of the atom here. Suppose this is nothing but that is the atom here. So this positive charges in the atom, they are uniformly distributed everywhere here. So that positive charges, they are uniformly distributed everywhere. So like this here. So every space in the atom that is occupied by the positive charge here. Next he says that negative charges are, and he called it as the electrons. Negative charges or electrons, they are embedded in it like a seeds of the watermelon. So there is some negative charges are there. So like this here. So this is nothing but this is the positive charge which is distributed towards the volume here. So this is the positive charge like this here. Next, there are some negative charges are there. So these negative charges are like a seeds of the watermelon. So you have seen the watermelon here. So watermelon consists of red part here. So some seeds they are black color, they are like here. So because of this, that is called as the Plum model here. So this is nothing but that is the G.J. Thomson model. So according to Thomson, what he says that the positive charge of the atom is uniformly distributed to the volume of the atom here. So the positive charges is uniformly distributed toward the volume of the that is atom here. And negative charges are like that is seeds of the watermelon. So they are distributed like seeds of the watermelon. So this is called as the Thomson model. So because of this, so that is called as Plum-Hertling model. So Plum-Hertling model here. So this theory model was not accepted because the distribution of electron and positive charge, that is different here. Electron and positive charge distribution is different. So when the studies go on, when research go on here, the other scientists they are not accepting these 2 points here. So because one point is saying that the positive charge is uniformly distributed toward the volume of the atom here, and negative charges are embedded like that is seeds of the watermelon here. So this is not that is taken as granted here, or it is not accepted because the distribution of the electron and positive charges are different here. So as the research goes on, as the study goes on, they say that the distribution of positive charge, negative charge or electron is different here. So we are not going to accept this point here. So this theory is rejected and another theory is given here. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಟಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಟಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಾಲ್ಟನ್ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಡಾಲ್ಟನ್ ಅಂತವ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ಅಟಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಸೊ ಅವ ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಟಮಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈಗ ಡಾಲ್ಟನ್ ಹೇಳಿದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಟಮ್ ಯಾವಿದೆ, ಅಟಮ್ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ಅಟಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಅಟಮ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಟಮ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಥಿಯರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಆ ಥಿಯರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಂತಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಿ ಜೆ ಥಾಮ್ಸನ್